Hey guys, this is Callan, and today we're going to go over the top 5 quick win strategies for small businesses that won't break the bank. All right, let's just get right into it. Number 1 is digging back into your previous customers. Chances are really good, if you've been in business any amount of time, that you have a list of customers that have already done business with you and possibly have done business with you a few times. Dig back into the list of customers that you have that haven't done business with you recently and incentivize them with an offer to get them to come back and do business with you again. They've already said yes, they're more likely to say yes again than they are to say no. Number 2 is to start a text messaging list. Now, this is the one business owners typically give me the most pushback on, but it's because you're doing things the old way. Most of your customers statistically want to receive your information without having to necessarily talk to you on the phone. So starting a text messaging list is a great way to accomplish that. Now, the text list has a few other distinct advantages. It gives you a reason to contact your customers regularly, but it also gives you the option to generate almost instant traffic to an offer that you're creating or your business. For an example, a restaurant that's wanting to give a lunchtime offer, sending out that message just a few minutes before lunchtime orders are started gets people in the mode of thinking about it, makes them an offer, and gets them the ability to maybe change their plans almost immediately. So within about 5 minutes, most of the text messages that are sent out have been opened, consumed, and responses have started going. It's incredible how fast that can happen. All right, number 3 is asking for reviews. Taking the customers that have just done business with you and asking to go and review you on platforms like Google or Facebook, Yelp, Foursquare, or any other online directory that would be important for customers trying to find you is a great way to go about making sure that you get additional organic traffic by people looking for you and finding out that you're doing a great job for your existing customers. It also gives you valuable information about your business. If people are repeatedly citing the same things as a reason that they dinged you on your score, it's a great way to make adjustments and provide even better service to make your clients even more happy. Number 4 is the simplest of all the methods, and that's just to make it easy to contact you. Customers might have a preference to how they would like to communicate with you. They might not be comfortable calling you, but they might want to. They might want to email you. They might want to send you a text message. They might want to hit you up on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or LinkedIn. They might even want to send you a message through your website, starting an online chat. So making all of the options available is a sure way that you meet your customers where they are and provide a high level of service, which leads to an incredible level of engagement with the people that may be interested in your products or services. Out of all of the methods available, number 5 is going to be the most rewarding, and that's just simply to follow up. Most business owners follow up with a lead exactly one time, and then they may leave a message. The prospect's probably not going to call them back, and they've burned the lead. Really good salespeople follow up at least 3 times. But the sad truth is that most leads won't follow up with you again until after 4 times of contact. So even really good salespeople fall short in this department typically. So you develop a follow-up plan to contact those people up to 8 times because it takes an average of 8 to 12 contacts before a prospect is likely to buy. But by number 4, you're going to start to see a very large percentage of those leads start to call back, start to respond to your inquiries, or start to open that conversation so you can make the touch points necessary to hit 8 to 12 contacts. You're going to pick up a whole lot more sales, you're going to burn a whole lot less leads, and you're going to add a whole lot more money to your bottom line. So the bottom line, follow up. All right, guys, that's it. This has been the 5 top quick win strategies for small businesses that won't break the bank. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have questions about anything here, add some comments down below or reach out to me on any of the platforms that you'll find. You'll find all kinds of information. Everything you need is going to be in the description down below. I look forward to hearing from you guys.